vacation here on the MSC. So Aubrey's off getting a massage over at the MSC Margarita Spa right down yonder. In the meantime, I'm going to take you guys on a little tour of the ship and show you some things that I haven't showed you yet. Over here is the barber shop, complete with barber pole. In case you want to get a little trim, haircut, hair coloring, or whatever else you might want to get done while you're here on the ship. They also have a nail salon over here in case you want to get your nails done. All kinds of different colors. Some people like to stay in shape and work out while they're on vacation. Never take a day off from the gym, and they do have a gym here as well. If you walk inside, you can see the giant portraits of runners. And down over here they have all kinds of gym equipment to take advantage of. Weight machines, treadmills, and that kind of thing. It's kind of cool, so you can hop on one of these treadmills here and walk and watch the ocean. I hate to say it, but that was the first time I've been in a gym in probably a year. I definitely need to work on my figure a lot. Definitely gotta hit the gym here. Probably not gonna happen, but definitely gotta hit the gym when I get home. It's really helpful. It's that they have these giant screens all over the ship so you can see what is going on. See, tonight there is a lighthouse show. You click on this here, it'll give you more information about everything. So you see right here that the lighthouse show is a short show, lasts from 9 p.m. to 9:05 p.m. and you can see it from the deck, or you can go down on the beach and watch it from there. I'm a really big fan of all the art installations that they have here. This one's pretty cool. It's a bunch of letters and numbers to create this statue here. And there's a bridge that you can cross. Underneath is the casino. People love to shop while they're on vacation, and if you're in the market for a nice watch, Invicta here has you covered. They've got all kinds of watches. This section of the MSC is called the Gallery. You take a look around here. They've got all kinds of shopping. Watches over there, makeup over there, in the gallery. It's kind of interesting as well. Over here they have a recording booth set up. Over here is the excursions desk, so if you wanted to take part in any excursions, you certainly can by stopping at this desk. One thing that I think is pretty cool is this right here with all these different screens. Today we're at the islands, so it's showing us different images of the island. Now this is pretty neat. On several parts of the MSC Seaside, you can find these infinity bridges right here, and if you cross them and look down, you'll be standing high above the floor below. This one isn't as scary because you do see part of the ship down there, but some of them are pretty freaking tall and can really freak you out. I want to take you guys up a little bit higher and take a look at the top deck. Alright, we're currently on deck 19, the very tippity top of the MSC Seaside. I want to show you guys, this is a great place to really get away because not too many people seem to come up here. You just want to have a little me time, a little space to get away from the crowds. Come to deck 19. It seems pretty spacious and not too busy. I do love this logo, as well as the steam coming up from those big tubes right there, those big pipes. I showed up this area yesterday when there wasn't any water. Now, got lots of water, lots and lots of water here. Alright, let's check out this little walkway here. Oh, this is kind of crazy. Whoa. This is crazy. I hope I'm not too big for this. Oh my god. That is terrifying. It's kind of fun though. Look, you're in a little tree house now. It's really fun. Really cool. I kind of like it. Let's go across this one. This one seems a bit more sturdy. Got this rope here in the middle. Oh my god. This is terrifying. This is absolutely terrifying. And over there they got a water slide that you can go on. A little bit smaller than the other water slides. Not a baby slide per se, but definitely smaller than the blue one here above it. Over here they do have a basketball court as well. You can come and play some hoops. This is also where you hop aboard the zip line to go right across the entire cruise ship. Go right through these loops right here, end up down there. Down there they are doing some visual trivia. You have to guess what that is on that screen. It's a logo of some sort. I have no idea what it is. Also up here on deck 19 is top 19, the exclusive solarium, which is for Aria and wellness guests only. If every other hot tub is packed up, you can hop on in here and warm up a little bit. Over here you have the jungle pool room. See, it's all surrounded with greenery. And got a couple hot tubs over here. I like the fact that the pool itself is green to match the colors of the room, which is pretty freaking cool. There's some bamboo over here with some tropical plants. And I really like these giant heads here as well. We also have these lush tropical walls here to make it look like you're sitting inside of a jungle cave. Over on this side of the ship they have the rooms for the MSC Yacht Club over here on deck 16 and 17. Don't know what these rooms are like. I bet they're superior somehow, but Yep, members only. Also here on deck 16, they have a couple of Chef's Court restaurants. They've got a seafood restaurant. They've got a sushi restaurant and a steak restaurant. As you can see, it does look pretty nice in here. Down there they have the hibachi and the sushi. Nice, really nice bar. So I just booked a massage for tomorrow. Obviously I can't show you guys all of that, but I will tell you about my experience over here at the spa tomorrow at 4 o'clock for my massage. There's always something different on the screen. Right now it's showing the lighthouse. There's going to be a lighthouse show tonight that I'm excited about. Oh, this ice cream guy. That's cute. Here we're in the candy store and the chocolate bar. Take a look at all this delicious candy. Look at all kinds of yummy, yummy, yummy chocolate treats here. Fudge. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Over here at Benchies. So we heard about this chocolate bar on the cruise ship called Benchies while we were over at Ocean Cay at the bar. And I had to go and check it out for myself. So now we're here. Actually, we have a beautiful drink right here. This is a chocolate margarita. Oh, there's even tequila in the whipped cream. I like these lights. This cruise ship is very pretty. I like these little chocolate creatures. Everything made out of chocolate here. That's pretty cool. These chocolate carrots. Little chocolate wagon on top there. I like how this leads to the chocolate bar. It's melting chocolate with these coffee cups. This here is our main dining room. Haven't got to eat there yet. We might eat there tonight. Might skip it. I don't know. Still trying to figure everything out. But this is where we go. Alright, y'all. I'm about to do it. I'm about to walk across the Infinity Bridge. Glass bottom bridge. Across the bridge of sighs. Before we walk across it, let's take a look at how far we are up. Wow. It's a very, very long way down. All right, here we go, guys. We're gonna walk across the bridge. It is a long way down there. Whew. Spooky.
Slowly he got to heaven's better.